Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Famete video tutorial. Now guys, for this episode I'm going to show you the unboxing of this TP-Link wireless router. As for the exact model, it is the TP-Link N450 wireless router. That simply means that it is capable of transferring data or manage data up to 450 megs. Definitely, I know that. I mean, 90% of persons who purchase this wireless router definitely not gonna utilize that function, because just quite a few of us that actually use internet at that speed. So in terms of what comes in the box, so this is the user manual right here, and then of course this is the wireless router, really huge wireless router. As you can see, in terms of poles or antenna, comes with 3 of them. Again, TP-Link around the back here. In terms of ports, these 4 ports here definitely for these are the LAN ports sending out internet, and this one is the blue port, so this is where you would put their internet source in, and this is a Wi-Fi or the WPS button right there, and it definitely comes with a power independent power button. And of course this is the adapter, 9 volt, and of course comes with a Ethernet cable. So again, in terms of what it can manage, definitely up to 450 megabytes in terms of internet speed. Again, in terms of the wireless technology, it is a 2.4 gigahertz. Definitely excellent for home and small business. In terms of connectivity, wireless, it is the N. So the N signal in terms of, so it is 802.111 N technology. In terms of range, I think the range is excellent on this one, and that is the fact that it comes with 3 antennas. I think each of these is 5 dBi in terms of the antenna strength. But definitely upgrade in comparison to other TP-Links routers, because of course I use a lot of TP links, so definitely know that this is excellent, very well, good upgrade to my system in terms of purchasing this one. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.